This is a 6-in-1 vegetable slash cheese grater, a little bit of everything type slicer. Let me just go ahead and unbox it here. You know what? I did open it up and look in here, but I wanted to do a quick video for y'all and show you what you get. We'll put all the stuff out like this. I mean, that's actually it. Well, that was easy. So yeah, so it comes with this right here. So it comes in this nice little convenient holder, so that holds all of your blades right here. And let me just go through the blades and show you what you get. Straight slicer, a shredder, crinkle cut. This is what they're calling the julienne cut. That's what that is. So this is the grate and this is the fine grate. You pretty much just take one of these and slide it in, your vegetables right here on that, and then as you're using it, you're going to mash down on it, and then it just slides like that. Very good quality plastic. This thing does not feel cheap. It feels extremely sturdy. This is something I recommend for any kitchen or anybody that's just wanting to have a good slicer that has multiple attachments. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the foldable grater slicer. See you on the next video.